So hello and welcome back, and yeah, new fresh arrival Mk3 Ford Focus 10 ecoboost, as you can see here. Yeah, full LED lights in here. It's a little business package, kind of strange as always from the Ford, but yeah, as you can see here inside the business seats. But the one thing very interesting I will show you from the other side. It's a 2017 model, and here you see engine. It's a bit crashed in front, but drives really nice. Here, check this out. So have electric seats. That's really nice. Has synth 3. See, starts up really nice. Synth 3. The dashboard is deployed. Have digital klima. Have the handle for the hand, and you can check out. Yeah, so it does runs really good. Need to park it just. No wheels, but yeah, it is what it is. Let me check. Yeah, even have back camera, so that's kinda really nice. So let's just park this guy over here. Used to be xenon lights in front. We will see if there is some what's left of them, but I'm kind of sure it's all gone. Anyways, yeah. So just wanted to say, yeah, that's fresh arrival. Airbags are deployed, but we have spare. We're not gonna fix this car for sure. That's not something that I would do, because it crashed a lot. It's a lot crashed. Yeah, that's about that. If you guys need something, anything, we're gonna make on how-to videos from this car for sure. And yeah, that's our new parts car. So steering wheel kind of okay, not that bad. So yeah, and we still have this guy over here, the MK4, the ST line, the one I still really need to finish disassembly on that car. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and follow, and I hope you guys, we can see you on next one. So till next video.